Alright, welcome back. Let's talk about solar battery. We have two main in the market. We have the lithium battery and the lead acid battery. Lead acid comprises of tubular battery, gel battery, dry cell, and many other lead acids. Well, these are the three main in the market. Then for lithium battery, we have lithium ion and life four lithium battery, the two main in the market. Yeah. Then um, lead acid is rated in AM, AM per hour. That is AMPERE. Then HOUR, AM per hour. Abbreviation is AMH, AM. Then lithium battery is rated in kilowatt, KILOWATTSHOUR, kilowatt hour, KWH. That is abbreviation. Yeah. In case you're wondering, the lithium battery is much better, mind you, much costlier, much better than the lead acid. Depth of discharge is usually for lead acid 60%, lithium battery 80, 90, 95%, depending on the manufacturer. Yeah, and durability, lithium battery has more durability and stronger. For heavy loads, go for lithium battery. Heavy loads. Want it to last more longer for you. You want your solar setup to last more longer, go for lithium ion. Mind you, it costs much more than lead acid. Thank you. See you.